going on, everybody? I just went for a little bit of a ride. So it's been about a month since I did the fork seal clean. Let's see if it worked, see if it's not leaking anymore. Stop right over here. We're going to look down here. Remember, it was the right side. It's been about a month since I showed you how to do it, or since I did do it. No leaks. It worked. Remember, I did both sides. Nothing. Probably the best $10 you'll ever spend. You can get it at Cycle Gear. If you walk into their back wall where all the little tools are, it's sitting on a thing where you just pull one off, just take it to the counter. Like I said, this only works if it's starting to leak because it gets debris up inside there. If you got a full blown out seal from doing wheelies or whatnot, then it's not going to work. You need to replace your seals. But if it's just starting to leak, yeah, go get that tool, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe.